powerful silhouette against the infinite horizon. With a wingspan that commands the landscape, the martial eagle claims its position at the pinnacle of the sky. With wings spread wide, mantling its kill, the predator asserts dominance. High within the thorny safety of the acacia tree, its talons are locked onto its prize, a young gazelle fawn. A wide perspective reveals the brutal contrast of the savanna. The lifeless form of the fawn hangs suspended below the mighty bird, a grim testament to nature's inescapable necessity. The piercing golden eye turns directly to the lens, an intense, unwavering gaze of absolute possession. There is no remorse, only the raw calculation of survival. Here is the ultimate balance. What was lost to the ground ensures that this massive life will take flight again. This is the unyielding law of the wild, the survival of the fittest.